Another way to run your code are text editors, it's a simpler way to run your code in the beginning, but text editors don't provide the powerful debugging and the functionality that you can get with an IDE. We will be looking at Sublime Text Editor today. So again, navigate to the website and download the application. Once you have it open, you should have a screen that pops up like this. It'll create a new file for you, which we will save it, and we will call it, let's put it in computer science. Let's call it hello-world.java. Save it, and we will do the same thing. And print out a short little message. Hello world. So I basically did the same thing as I did in the IDE, but with a text editor you need to open your terminal. So when you can search for terminal in your applications, it should already be on your Mac or your Windows. And in your terminal, you're going to navigate, so CD is change directory. You're going to navigate to the directory that you saved the file to, so desktop, in my case, put under computer science, and then I will do the same compile statement and run the code as I did in the IDE. So javac hello world.java, and that has created an executable, and now I will run hello world, and it should print out hello world. So this is also another way you can run your code. It's definitely a lot easier and a lot simpler. It doesn't have the same extensions that an IDE might have, but it is a really good way to start coding.